Hey guys, this is Disman from ZecHub here, and I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how you would upgrade your Pi to the latest version of Zcashd. So, first step is you need to log into your Pi remotely. In this case, I'll use SSH, and we need to turn off the running Zcashd so that we can upgrade to the newest version. So let's do that now. Okay, and let's see here. We're going to go to top. Oh, there we go. Looks like our Zcashd is still running. Beautiful. So let's go into our screen and see, yep, it's been running for 66 days, 13 hours, 47 minutes. Beautiful. So close the screen. Let's Zcash CLI. Oops. I need to do an alias here, this one, because remember on my Pi I have it set to an external, the data directory, so I need to create an alias that will make the commands easier. So that's what this does. So now we can go stop. Alright. So now that we have stopped the binaries, we're going to print our working directory. Oops. See, these are all these files that need to be replaced. So we're going to log out now. Clear the screen. Clear. And we'll go to the most recent tab. So, the program that we're going to use to transfer these files here that we just compiled recently is the sftp command, which is almost the same as SSH, just for file transfers. Create your password. Alright, so now you're logged in. And there's a few commands that you would need to learn how to do. So first one is LCD, which stands for Local Change Directory, or LPW, which stands for Local Print Working Directory. And when I say local, that means the computer that I'm on my laptop logged into the Pi. So when you do the local command, it's the one that's on your computer. And if you do print working directory, that is the remote working directory. So we need to navigate on the local computer to this address. So let's do it. So local p change directory, LCD. It's going to be documents, oops, crypto, Zcash, Raspberry Pi 4, Zcash dash 5.5, oops, alright, print working directory, there we go. Now let's locally list the components. So now we're going to go LCD Zcash dash 5.5.1. Okay, ls. And those are what we're going to add into the Pi. So how do we do that? You simply put Zcash dash CLI, and it literally will upload it to the Pi for you. And you're limited by your network speed. put Zcashd. It's kind of cool. It gives you an ETA, roughly speaking. Okay, next up, we're going to do the Zcash D-wallet tool. Put that up. Okay, now we're going to do the Zcash G-test. I think I'm hitting the limit of my Wi-Fi through the Pi. If you were using a wired connection, it would be a lot faster. Alright, almost done. Okay, we're going to put Zcash inspect. Going last one, Zcash transaction. Alright, so now all new files have been uploaded. We're going to exit out of our SFTP program, clear the screen. Now we're going to SSH back into our Pi. And you can see I have some updates available. I'm going to deal with that later. So first let's set our alias. Let's see here, this one here, and I'm going to copy this. Okay. And clear the screen. We want to start a screen, call it Zcash. And now we want to run Zcash. Oops, let me print. There we go. Zcash D. With the data dir set. Whoops. Gotta get rid of that. Alright. And there it is, guys. This is the freshly compiled Zcash 5.5.1 running on 64-bit Raspberry Pi 4. Get out of the screen here. And we go to top, we can see that it's running. Beautiful. Clear the screen. Oops. Clear. Alright guys, I will see you next time.